Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Oh shit, let's go, let's go.
Got it all right. There's a tornado that went through here. Took the trees down.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just got hit by a tornado. Blew all kinds. There went the air tank in the shop. Took out a lot of trees in our yard. Look at that one. Damn. Look at this. And into the boat. Look at that. Shit. That guy's van busted a window. Ripped the freaking trees off. This poor guy just got blown out of a tree too. He ain't doing so well. Oh man, it took the fence out, ripped trees, it out. Oh. One across the road. Took a lot of trees down. Looks like our roof survived it. Jeff and Donna lost their entire RV carport. Neighbors, man. They just lost a lot of stuff. Damn, they got trees down too. Look, it even ripped the tops right off the trees. The aftermath tornado. There's even a tree in the, what do you call it, in the canal. Move the boat from here. It's out here to try to be away from it. Still got it. was 3 a.m. We're still getting strong winds. That's the sound of the generator running. Trees are still blowing like crazy.